Are all copy traders liars? Well, I have tried to answer this question for a long time, and answer seems seemingly yes. But here is one but. Actually, if you understand something about trading and something about trading analytics, you have small chance to find traders which are actually good. Of course, this is very difficult task which I have embarked for a long time, and in this video I will continue to do that. I will try to search good traders and show you how to separate vast majority of frauds and scammers for that one small percentage which actually might make some money. And in this video we will continue to do that. I will use Vantage Trading, which is one of the largest copy trading platforms for forex and gold traders, and let's see whether we actually could find something in this vast realm of complete scammers. So let's roll into copy trading platform and see what's what. Okay traders, now we are at Vantage Markets copy trading platform. You could find it simply here by clicking copy trading and discover, provided if you have logged in. And here is what you see. We usually start our copy trading analysis with our basic platform window, and we see simply a bunch of traders, which simply means nothing, because these data wouldn't simply give you, I mispronounced myself here, these traders wouldn't simply give you any reasonable data about their performance and something like that. So in order to do something more, I would say, useful, let's rank these traders and let's go upside and rank these traders by some data, for instance, number of copiers, total return, rating, win rate, and similar stuff like that. And let's see how typical losing traders and beginners are quickly falling into this trap. What they typically do, just a second, they typically rank their traders by number of returns. And what happens then? They see, yes, this trader has 10,368,000% return, this has 27,000% return, this has 10,000% return. And then they start to simply copy, and they're wondering why their money is lost. But let's dig deeper. Let's see traders who have like 27,000% return. What we would see that their performance hasn't changed, whether we are looking for 1 year, 3 months, or 30 days. And if we see a bit more clearly, we would see that most of these returns are made in basically 1 day. So this means that this is simply blunt luck. He has 1 month of return, and he has made phenomenal returns in just 2 weeks. So I wouldn't say this is very good strategy at all, because, well, he has hidden his drawdowns. That means he probably has large of unrealized losses, and even that he have 29 active copiers and 2,989 cumulative copiers, and have some money under his management. Well, this is trader I wouldn't trade in a second, because I don't know how much he has lost. Maybe he has these closed positions with huge gains, but maybe here are drawdowns with 90% and plus of losses. So that means in one bad trade all these returns would evaporate and there would be no trading at all. Let's go to second trader with huge returns. He has 10,000% of return. Let's check in 1 year, in 90 days, and in 30 days. Yes, this was made within a month, so this is monthly return. And if we check it by weekly returns, he has made most of this money in 1 week, and most of that is made with one good day. And what are maximum drawdowns? Maximal drawdowns are hidden, because he probably has huge unrealized losses, and he has maximum risk band, and there is nothing much to say. He made probably that in one extremely risky trade, and you probably will lose all your money despite all these possible returns, because this is impossible to replicate, like 4,289 in 1 day and 10,000% in 1 month or 1 week. Too good to be true. Let's see, third trader which has made 10,000% return in this year. So 360 days, 90 days, 30 days. This is done within a month. Let's see, yes, absolute majority of gains is done within 1 week. And if we look closer, oh, maybe he has traded for some days, so he had very good days in a couple of days, but this is meaningful data because he hasn't made 3.56% per 1 day. This is absurd. And he has 0% drawdown. If previous guys had hidden drawdowns, this has 0% drawdown because he had 100% success rate. So how much he has, like 20 copiers and small amount under the management. He trades crypto and metals. So trades per week, 93 trades per week, one profitable week. I could bet that if we could, I would say, wait for another week or another 2 weeks, he will have one losing trade and he will lose all his capital. So it's extremely dumb to follow traders who has 0% drawdown. That's like financial suicide. Don't do that. So high percentage traders, which might seem good on paper, which could make tenfold your money in 1 month, probably will lose you 98% in next day. So do not look for that. Other way how to look at forex trading is, for instance, of people who has long record and he had number of copiers. So that means he had stood the test of time a bit better than those who have high absolute returns. So let's see and filter people by number of copiers for last 12 months. This is more, I would say, better analytics, and we have some reasonable grasp of data of their trading performances. And let's look at them. So here we have one trader which has made himself as a gold. Probably he trades gold. Yes, he trades gold. What is his risk band? 3, maximum drawdown 10%, return 8% for the last 90 days, and for last 360 days he has 134% return and minus 10% drawdown. If we can calculate with absolute rise in gold prices, this actually is relatively, I would say, good strategy. And I would say, let's see what are his data by days in last days. Mix of small losses and slightly larger profits. I would say he probably mimics something of gold rise and fall. That's my thinking out loud, and for most of the months he's profitable, but he has endured a couple of losses in the last couple of months. But still they are quite small, and this looks something reasonable. He has cumulative copiers by 9,105 or slightly more than 9,000, and he has 28,000 USC assets under management. He approximately makes 44 trades per week. And what was his win percentage? 56% of the traders. This is not bad trading. Actually, this is something we could actually look into. So you saw the difference. This is realistic performance in 360 days if we can incorporate gold's return as well, because gold rose and this strategy was probably slightly better on risk reward basis than pure investing in gold, and it has reasonable win rate and manageable drawdowns. This is something I might like. Let's see another successful trader. Let's say he has made 395% in 90 days, which is really good. And he has made 37% returns in last 30 days, and in last year he has made 400%, which is quite a lot, and he has 60% win rate. What is maximum drawdown? This is a red flag. He has hidden his maximum drawdown. So this is gray. This is not red, but this is sort of gray or orange color. So you could look at him, but you have to be careful. So December was 0.77%. It has good months in January, February, March, and let's see how he will make in April. It has demonstrated some loss in last week, but previous weeks were green, and in his daily returns are pretty good as well. He's mixing between metals and crypto. He has 900, and this has quite a bit of money under management. Number of traders are also relatively decent, so this is something you should watch. And let's see our third trader. Third trader made what in last 30 days 10%, last 90 days 90%, and last in last year 500%, which is whopping. He has 58% win rate. He has quite low risk band. What his drawdowns only 9% per year seems strange, but okay, he has extremely good risk-reward ratio. I have to see his strategy in more detail, but he is also someone we could check. Let's see, by monthly returns, he has only 1 month which has been red, that is December. Other months are relatively green. In most weeks he has made money except for last week, and the pattern continues on daily basis. He has also 600 copiers, with cumulative copiers 45,000 and 693,000 under management. So he has earned his stripes. That's what I could say. So this strategy, he has hidden his facts for those who are not copying him, but we could see the pattern here. So I would say we could wrap this all up. So you saw what are the typical rookie mistakes. He goes into platform, he searches for the best return, he invests with the best return, wipes out his capital, because the best returns usually are made within 1 week or a couple of days with ridiculous risks. These are no strategies to trade. But if you are slightly smarter and go for traders who have proven track record, large number of followings, and where you could actually track his performance, his amount of trades and his drawdowns, you might have some idea. But also I would suggest you have to go to these 3 traders and simply invest all your money with them. Smarter is to diversify between like 5 to 10 of these traders, and then you will have some consistency in your mind, and this is the way how to do it. And if you want to do trading like this, copy trading smartly, what I suggest you to do is following. Register with my link with Vantage Markets, write me DM that you have registered, and then let's make our portfolio together of stack of traders which actually have made something which has decent analytics and which has track record that speaks of itself, and it has following that back these data up. This is the smart way how to trade. Of course, don't expect miracles, but if you have chance to trade, this is the way to do it. So write me down, register with Vantage Markets, and let's trade together.